Welcome back to my channel. If you love creativity, handmade beauty, and budget friendly home decor ideas, then today's video is just for you. In this video, I am sharing a collection of beautiful DIY crafts and home decor pieces that you can easily make at home. These ideas are perfect for decorating your room, organizing your space, or even gifting to someone special. So sit back, relax, and get inspired. This beautiful handmade decor piece shows how simple materials can be transformed into something elegant. With just a little creativity and effort, you can turn ordinary items into something extraordinary. The best part about DIY crafts is that you don't need expensive tools, just your imagination. Here we have a stylish and modern decor item that adds charm to any room. Whether you place it on a shelf, table, or wall, it instantly enhances the overall look of your space. You can customize colors and textures according to your theme, making it truly unique. These ideas are perfect for those who can love recycling and eco-friendly projects. Instead of throwing away old materials, you can reuse them to create something useful and beautiful. Not only does this save money, but it also helps the environment. These decor pieces are simple yet every eye-catching. Sometimes minimal design creates the biggest impact. Clean shapes, soft colors, and neat finishing can make your handmade craft look professional and aesthetic. These are perfect for organizing your space while keeping it stylish. DIY storage solutions are always a great idea because they combine beauty with functionality. You can use it to store small items while also decorating your room. These designs adds a cozy and warm touch to your home. Handmade decor always feels more personal and special compared to store-bought items. When you create something with your own hands, it carries your creativity and effort. These pieces are all about creativity and detail. Small elements and finishing touches can completely transform the look of a craft. Adding textures, patterns, or layers makes your design more creative and unique. These ideas are perfect for beginners. It is easy to make, require basic materials, and still looks amazing. If you are just starting your DIY journey, this is a great project to try. These decor items are ideal for modern home styling, simple, elegant, and trendy. It fits perfectly in any room setup there. You can place it in your bedroom, living room, or even your workspace. These crafts shows how creativity has no limits. You can mix different materials and techniques to create something completely new. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different combinations. This one is perfect for adding a decorative touch to your walls or tables. Handmade items always stand out because they are unique and not mass produced. Functional decor is always a great choice because it serves a purpose while also enhancing your space. These designs are all about style and simplicity. You don't need complicated designs to make something beautiful. Even the simplest ideas can look amazing when done neatly. These decor pieces gives a very aesthetic and trendy vibe. They are perfect for those who love modern and Instagram style decor. You can easily recreate these at home with a few materials. These crafts are perfect for gifting. Handmade gifts always feel more special because they show effort and love. You can customize them according to the person you are gifting. It helps you decorate without taking up too much room, perfect for apartments or compact areas. With the right design and finishing, even low-cost materials can look expensive. They are perfect example of creativity and effort coming together. They are unique, stylish, and definitely worth trying. I hope you enjoyed all these DIY craft and home decor ideas. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. Keep creating, keep inspiring. I will see you in the next video.